I wanted to record this quick video on GMB maintenance and management. And it's a short video, but basically it's regarding how you should maintain and manage your GMB. So ideally, you'd be posting 2 times per week. And this, right off the bat, will be a huge advantage to you because let's say this is your business right here. Most of these guys in front of you or even below you, most of them don't even know what GMB posts even are, let alone how to post them properly. And they already taught you how to post them properly. So if you're posting 2 a week fully optimized, you'll be ahead of most of these guys. So ideally, you want to be posting 2 times a week. Then, like we talked about the Q&A, you want to ideally be posting again 3 Q&As per week, fully optimized, just like we discussed. And most likely, most of these aren't doing that as well. So this will be a huge advantage. It will give you a huge boost. So 2 posts a week on your GMB, 3 Q&As per week on your GMB, 2 photos or videos per week, at least in your GMB. This is super easy. If you have a local business, you can just take pictures of your team working. You can just take pictures of your business, your machinery, whatever it is. I'm sure you can take at least 1 or 2 pictures in a full week. So you're going to want to take all of these and send it out to your GMB listing and make it an authority in your niche. And I can almost guarantee you that none of these guys are doing this. And of course, once you're number one, you can ease a bit on this. So this will be hard at the beginning. It will be some hard work. Of course, you can also outsource this to someone. You can pay someone to make 2 posts per week or 3 Q&As per week or all of these per week. But if you choose to do it yourself, this will be like a month of work, of consistent work, okay? But once you're doing it and powering up your GMB like this, you'll eventually be number one. Of course, you won't be number one just with this. There's some other optimization tactics we talked about, but this will give you that extra boost because none of these guys are doing it. And this will give you extra relevancy and it will make your GMB listing a powerhouse. Google will really value it because you're giving out valuable information to Google's users. So you're posting about your business or having Q&As answered or posting pictures and videos of your niche, of your industry. So Google really values this. So again, once you're number one, you can stop and ease a bit on this. And of course, you can measure your success through the analytics tab inside your GMB panel to measure how your efforts are doing and how many post views are you getting per week and how many photo clicks you're getting per week. And this will be hard at the beginning, but once you start seeing those clicks and those views coming in, I can almost assure you that you won't stop doing it. So this is just a quick reminder of the maintenance and management that the GMB requires. It can be a bit time consuming at the beginning. You can of course outsource it, but if you choose not to, again, this will be like a month of work and then you can ease a bit on it. And like I said, I'm repeating myself, but I can assure you that none of these guys are doing it like you're going to be doing it. 2 times a week, 3 Q&As and 2 photos or videos, let alone properly optimizing each one of these 3 like we talked about. That's it.